Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about PlayStation error code CE-118877-2. The error prevents users from downloading or installing games, especially from physical discs. Users have reported this issue with games like Warzone, Minecraft, Armored Core 6, and Hogwarts Legacy. According to our research, the error may be related to storage issues, a corrupted download queue, or conflicts with external hard drives. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your console and check if your PlayStation is updated to the latest system version. Once done, try again and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, try clearing all active downloads in your download queue. After clearing everything, start the game installation again and see if the error still comes. If the error still persists and you are using an external hard drive, try installing the game directly onto your console's internal storage and see if this helps with the error. If the error still doesn't resolve, try turning off the internet while the disk is inserted. Then attempt the installation again and check if the error still comes. At last, if you still get the error, delete the disk data from your storage, physically remove the disk, and then reinsert it. Then try installing it again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.